Ramanujan Maths Academy.
Welcome to Ramanujan Maths Academy. In this video, we are going to study completing square method. First, we will see its steps and then we will solve its examples. So, first of all, we will start by our quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What if value of a is 1? So, if value of a is 1, then it becomes x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And that is what we require to solve our completing square method examples. We require this equation first of all. X square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where coefficient of x square is 1. That is, value of a is equal to 1. In some examples, if value of a is not 1, then we make it 1. How? You will get to know that in examples. Now in step 2. In step 2, first of all, you have to write these two terms as it is. X square plus bx. Okay. Then some new thing is here. That is, I will write it here first. Plus b upon 2, this is middle term b. Okay, I am dividing it by 2 and I am taking its square, b upon 2 square. Then minus, again taking middle term b, dividing it by 2, again taking its square, and then writing plus c as it is equal to 0. Okay, now if you observe it carefully, this equation and this equation are same. Okay, it is the process to solve completing square method. Now after that, next is x square plus bx plus b upon 2 square. Okay, I am taking these three terms to the left side of the equation and shifting these two terms to the right side of the equation. What I get, this minus becomes plus to the right side of the equation, b upon 2 square, and this plus c becomes minus c to the right of the equation. Now, if you observe this LHS carefully, you will find that it is expansion of x plus b upon 2 square. So, it is expansion of x plus b upon 2 whole square. Okay, that's why we are calling this method as completing square method. If here is minus sign, only you have to take x minus b upon 2 square in examples. Okay, but here x plus is given, x square plus bx, so we are taking plus, and the remaining term is as it is, b upon 2 square minus c, and from these terms we are finding the solution of x. Now we are going to solve some examples on completing square method. Now solving the examples on completing square method. First example is solve x square plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. First of all, we write the given quadratic equation as it is. X square plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. Then in next step also, we write these two terms as it is. So I will write it first, x square plus 8x. Now what to do? Here value of b is 8. Value of b is 8. And we know that b upon 2 square is equal to 8 upon 2 square, which is equal to 4 square, and 4 square is 16. It means that we have to add and subtract 16 in this equation. So plus 16 minus 16 and this minus 48 as it is, which is equal to 0. Next, now you know that a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus twice of ab. Okay, and a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus twice of ab. Okay, here x square plus 8x plus 16 gives us x plus 4 whole bracket square. Okay, and this minus 16 and minus 48 becomes minus 64 is equal to 0. This x plus 4 square minus 64 is equal to 0. Then shifting this minus 64 to the right side of the equation, we get x plus 4 square is equal to plus 64. Now taking square root of both sides, we get x plus 4 is equal to square root of 64. And one more thing is that that square of 2 is 4. Okay, and square of minus 2 is again 4. Similarly, square of 8 is 64 and square of minus 8 is again 64. That means we are getting two solutions here. When we take square root of the 64, we get plus and minus 8. Okay, so x plus 4 is equal to plus minus 8. Now first we take this 8 as positive and in next we take it negative. So we get x is equal to, first taking it positive 8, this shift to the right side of the equation, it becomes minus 8 minus 4, or x is equal to, now we take it as minus 8 and minus 8 and minus 4, and hence x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 12 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Next example is 9y square minus 12y plus 2 equal to 0. First of all, we write given quadratic equation as it is. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now you can see here coefficient of y square is not 1, it is 9. So to vanish this term, to vanish this 9, okay, we divide this given quadratic equation by 9 throughout. So dividing this equation by 9, we get 9y square upon 9 minus 12 upon 9 y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Next step, y square minus, here 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9, y plus 2 upon 9 as it is, which is equal to 0. Now it is our required quadratic equation. To solve it by completing square method. Now what is value of b here? 4 upon 3. So here I will write b is equal to 4 upon 3. Now b upon 2 square is equal to 4 upon 3 upon 2. Okay, this 2 goes up and it becomes 4 upon 6. Hence 4 upon 6 square it is. Okay, which is equal to 2 to the 4, 2 3s are 6. Hence 2 upon 3 square it is. So we add this term and subtract simultaneously. Okay, y square minus 4 upon 3y as it is. Okay, these two terms as it is. Then we add this term. First adding 2 upon 3 square, then subtracting 2 upon 3 square, and then last term is as it is, plus 2 upon 9. Plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Then these three terms separate and these two terms. Okay. So you can directly write from here. It is the formula of y minus 2 upon 3 whole square. Okay. A minus b square. A square minus twice of ab plus b square. And the remaining terms we shift to the right side of the equation. We shift this term. So we get plus 2 upon 3 square and this becomes minus 2 upon 9. Okay. Now it is right side. Now keeping this term as it is, we first solve right side of the equation. Here it is. 2 to the 4 and 3 3 are 9, minus 2 upon 9. Okay. In next step, y minus 2 upon 3 square, y minus 2 upon 3 square, which is equal to, now 4 minus 2 is 2 and 9 as it is. Okay. Y minus 2 upon 3 square, which is equal to 2 upon 9. Now in next step, taking the square root of both sides of this equation, we get y minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Now here we have taken square root is equal to square root of 2 upon 9. Okay. Square root of 2 upon 9. Then next step is y minus 2 upon 3. Now we know that square root of 9 is 3, but square root of 2 is itself. So square root of 2 upon 3. Okay, but it is plus minus square root 2 of 3. Okay. Now to find the value of y, here y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus minus root 2 upon 3. In next step, first we take this value as positive and then negative. So y is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus root 2 upon 3 or y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus root 2 upon 3. In next step, we get value of y as y is equal to plus root 2. This minus 2 upon 3 goes to right side of the equation and it becomes plus 2 root 2 plus 2 upon 3. Okay. Or y is equal to minus root 2 plus 2 upon 3. So this is the required solution of this quadratic equation.
Thank you for watching रामानुजन मैथ्स अकेडमी। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कीजिए। लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर। जॉइन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप 7030021604।